Hey you guys, thanks for coming to check out today's video. So this video is all about some new hair that was sent to me. So if you want to learn more about this new hair, then make sure you keep on watching. Alright, before we get started, you know what you need to do. You gotta hit that subscribe button. 3, 2, 1, hit it. Make sure you turn on post notifications so you never miss a new upload from your girl, Jess the Dragoness. Let's jump into this new hair. So this is what the unit looks like. I am in like curly hair heaven in these past couple of videos. I was saying that I had not had curly hair all summer. Well, baby, I'm having curly hair all for the fall, okay? Fall curly hair or whatever. All right, you guys, so if you're interested in the unit that I'm rocking right now, I will leave a link to where you can check this one out, but make sure you keep on watching this video first. Okay, you guys, so this is the unit. I really feel like this unit is super cute. I was tempted to add a little powder in the front, but as I said before, I did over bleach these knots and I think it actually worked to my advantage, so I don't need to use any powder. I love the flip over look and the flipped over style, so I'm definitely not going to add like a hard down part into this unit. I just think that that is just way over the top for curly units, and it makes it, to me, look more wiggy. So I just like my units just flipped over. Yeah, you guys, I don't know. There's nothing bad that I have to say about this unit. I will say that the frontal was a bit long for my for the front of my head, so I did have to cut this unit in 2 places on the ear tabs on both sides. I did end up just pushing the unit behind my ear and just pulling a little bit of my own baby hairs out, and then on this side I just left it alone because it's flipped over and you won't be able to see that side. So I really like this unit. You guys, I did air dry this unit upside down. When I say air dry your curly units upside down, some people ask me what that means, so let me show you. So this is a curly unit. When I say air dry your curly units upside down, I mean take the front of the unit that you would wear as the front, turn it upside down, and let the unit air dry upside down. When you let the unit air dry upside down, for curly units, it does two things. It makes the curls much more of ringlets all the way towards the end because the water is dripping down on the ends of the hair. Another thing it's going to do is it's going to make your unit fluffier when you turn it back over, because when you turn it back over, all these curls will be like super popping and they won't be laid flat matted down to your head. So when you turn it over, your unit will be fluffy and bouncy at the top. Now if you want your unit flat at the top, you can let it air dry face down, but you won't have as much bounce and body as you will if you've air dried your unit upside down. If you like to wear your units with hard down laid flat parts, don't do that. If you like to wear your units fluffy and big and curly like this, then you can do that. If you guys have questions for me, please let me know. I am so excited, you guys. We are almost at 30,000 subscribers. We are almost at 30K and I am like ridiculous excited. Over on Instagram, we are doing really well over there too. I'm posting, I'm super consistent over there as well, so make sure you are following me on Instagram. If you want to learn more about this unit and you want to grab yourself one of these curly bobs, I will leave a link in the information bar down below, and yeah, just make sure you check that out so you can get all the details that you need about this unit. Thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure you stay tuned for the slow-mos.
Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you.